Because yes, you can hold for dear life and hope to God that Tesla happens, right? And that's you, and you got in early with Tesla. Because that does happen. DWAC, you just want to hold it for the next 10 years? That's cool too, you know? Or you can milk it daily and take the 10 years and just dwindle it down to 1 year. The same money you can make in 10 years, you can make in 1 year trading it. Yo, what's up everybody? Alright, so it was a long weekend. We're back. I'm able to show you guys some of the trades that I did today. I'm excited because DWAC had a very predictable volatility day because there's no news yet. Alright, there's no news, just sentiment. Just people wanting to buy this thing up. But I'm not stupid. I know to keep a portion of my shares in because at any moment anything could frickin' happen. Just like AMC, at any moment anything could frickin' happen. So I'm not selling 100% of what I own. My position is like today, 25% on this platform. I have two. I have Webull, and I have this is Robinhood, and then I have Crypto.com that I buy my cryptocurrency on, and it was easy to set up, but I am never going to recommend anybody to Crypto.com. It was just easy. So here's my trades today. DWAC was predictable. It was very easy money, and I was getting my $2 in and outs. $3 in and out, man. That's all we look for. Let's not get greedy. That's all you want to do, because you can make more of those trades than anything. So instead of looking for that one big trade, make 3 small trades. Okay? You're less likely to get burnt doing them small trades. Okay? First one today, we sold at $60.19. First sale of the day was $60.19. We then bought back at $57.40. Bada boom, bada bing. $57.40 buyback. I then sold at $60.95. There's my next trade, $60.95. You guys see I'm within my $2 bracket. I then bought back in at $58.70. I had 2 really successful trades. I probably could have had 3 or 4. My phone keeps blowing up. I should probably put this in airplane mode. Anyway, had I not been so busy, I was really busy today, I could have probably kept going on this shit today and made even more freaking money. Some of the things I just wanted to show you guys though. So going into tomorrow, we're at 59.57 already. You see where the market closed, right here where my finger is. Okay. See how we have downward, so the market closed actually, like there was the sell-off. You see the sell-off because we were way up real pretty here with DWAC, and then you see the sell-off. Market closes right here. She trades up and down, trending sideways, but then towards the end we get a little bit of a downward. Boo-boo. See ya. Some folks selling. So what does this tell me? This tells me, okay, I'm sitting good. I'm in that $58.80 somewhat position. I am sitting real pretty when the market opens on this platform. Therefore, pre-market, I will be glued to this thing so that as soon as the market opens, I'm probably most likely going to sell again. I'll sell again if there's no news. Now, just so you guys know, first thing I do in the morning is I hit Google, I hit Reddit, I hit StockTwits, I will hit Yahoo, I will hit, you name it, YouTube, just to make sure I'm not missing anything. If there's no news about to break. If there's news about to break, then I'll just let this ride. I won't even look to trade because I know the news is going to have an effect on the stock, whether it be up or down. Now, if it's down and it's bad news and I know I'm about to lose money, then I just sell before I lose the money, and hopefully I get it right. If it's awesome news and you see early buyers are just swooping it up, like we can buy on Webull, I'll even get in there and maybe swoop it up myself if I know something crazy's happening. That's why I love Webull. Then we just ride out. We ride that money up. ride that money up and learn to project momentum. And when it starts to fade, and when buyers and profit takers and day traders start taking their money, you have to walk with them, and you got to try to time that. And that takes years and years and years. And I'm still learning that, because sometimes I get that shit wrong myself. And that's why I tell people, don't ever go all in 100% and sell all your damn shares, because even an experienced trader gets it wrong. And if you blow the whole ranch in one trade and you sell the ranch, it's gone. Now you're stuck, and you might have to wait days or weeks to get your money back. Days and weeks that you could be making money the entire time. You are now benched. You see, you ain't making shit. So even experienced traders won't go all in unless it's something outstanding, like when DWAC was first freaking launched. Then it's like, oh shit, yeah, sell everything, because I'm up $170 per share. Sell everything. You know, days like that are rare, that kind of crap. So anyhow, what I'm looking for tomorrow is early sentiment from Webull and Robinhood. Early morning trading. I want to see what guys are doing, man. Are they buying up or are they selling? If they're selling, and I'm trickling into the open tomorrow, then I'm looking for an immediate sell. I'm going to want to just skim off the top a $2 trade, or even if it's a $1 trade, if I think I'm going to lose money and she's going to be red all day. Because that'll be cool if you sell and your gut's like, okay, this is going red. And let's say I sell at wherever it was, 60 whatever. Let me pull it up again. Because if you sell and she tanks, you could buy it back in at, 59.57. So let's say I were to sell right there at 59.57 tomorrow. As soon as the market opens, I'm like, okay, nobody's doing nothing. This thing's about to sell off. Let me just get my lousy dollar out of this thing and let it tank. And then it tanks all the way to $55, just an example. Well, I'll just wait and I just let it tank. And then I'm like, okay, 55's beautiful. There's one huge trade, $4.50 freaking trade. You know, maybe I can get a $5 trade on the downside, not the upside, because you're making money on the downside too. Not necessarily shorting the stock, but it's acting as if you are shorting the stock, but you're not. You're just buying on the low. You're hoping that she goes south, just like a short hopes they go south. You're hoping it goes south, though, because you're buying back in. You're going back in for the support, okay? So just so you guys know, that's how we're reading this going into tomorrow. Read that line going into tomorrow. Where's the sentiment? Who's in control, bulls or bears, okay? So you can make money no matter who's in control. Like I just told you, even if the bears are in control, you make money going down, because you sell right at the top, let it drip $5 freaking and then you buy back in, or let it drip $3 and you buy back in. Now your new play would be 55 to 57 or 55 to 58. That's your new play. I tell people you can always make money trading down. That's how you do it. Your new position is just lower, and you trade in that new lower area, that new lower 57 to 55 or 55 to 58. That's your new entry. Then she goes from 57 to 63. There's your new entry. That's your new bracket that you're trading in. Okay? You should never be stuck. Some people will come on my channel and they're, oh, he's a bag holder. Impossible. Only a dumbass would be a bag holder. Trade down. Who gives a shit? Stop the clock. Oh, she's tanking? What are you going to do? You're going to ride the Titanic all the way down to the bottom of the ocean? Or are you going to hop off? Hop off at any point. Even if you're in this thing for $70 freaking dollars, you're in this thing for $70. You could be trading right now in the 59. Why let it sink all the way to 55? You're in at 70. Trade it from 60 to 55, 60 to 55, 60 to 55. Trade in that zone a million freaking times if you have to, and make up the loss, make up the difference. You're never ever a bag holder if you're a day trader. Never. Study, guys, and learn how to really take profit and make money in this game. Because yes, you can hold for dear life and hope to God that Tesla happens, right? And that's you, and you got in early with Tesla. Because that does happen. DWAC, you just want to hold it for the next 10 years? That's cool too, you know? Or you can milk it daily and take the 10 years and just dwindle it down to 1 year. The same money you can make in 10 years, you can make in 1 year trading it. Simple. All right? Common sense. Risky. Study. Don't just jump into it. Study. But still, common sense, simple. All right? All right, everybody. We love DWAC, True Social. Platform launches early 2022. Everybody stay tuned. Y'all have an awesome freaking evening. Gonna try to do a video tomorrow on AMC. That's it, baby. Shaboom. Peace.